This is the last video in the series explaining our simple 10-step home design guide to home improvement projects. We've explained everything from creating your brief, through to achieving planning permissions, signing off through building control, and contracting builders to start your project. Now all that's left to do is enjoy your brand new ideal home. We're here to help you through every step of this process, and to help you get started, we're offering a free 20-minute video design consultation with one of our talented architects or designers. All you need to do is click the link in the description below and book in a time slot that suits you. We're also offering a £200 Amazon gift card for any successful referrals that we receive. We're proud to be voted the most trusted architectural practice in Greater London by Build magazine, so you can feel at ease when referring your friends and family to us. Simply send us an introduction email, and once we start work, your gift card will be on its way. So if you're looking to get started on your next home improvement project but don't know where to start, download our 10-step design guide free today on www.aurahomes.co.uk.